How to see backup photos in your Google Photos available application on your mobile phone or on your laptop also. I'm using the Google Photo website on my PC. Let me just open it and show you the process that will be same for your phone and PC also. Here, this is my account, and I will select Google Photos as here my sub account and click on it. These are my linked pictures on my Google account here. What I have to do is simply check the update section where I can explore it. Click on explore, and here you can click on recently deleted. Here you can get all the deleted photos. Then click on album. Here you can click on backup photos, and yes, you can see this is my backup photo and this is the folder which I have backed up from my device. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.